I'm Anil Kumar, and here is the test question for you on patterns and sequences. Consider the sequence 8, 4, 2, 1 and so on. Identify the type of sequence, write recursive formula, write general term formula. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, to identify any sequence, we have to see how each term is related with its previous term. Rather, we have to see the sequence in succession. So from here we can observe that we can get successive terms by dividing the previous term by 2. They are in fact half, right? So that is how they are related. So we have 4 over 8 is equals to 2 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 2. So there is a constant ratio by which each previous number is multiplied to get the next number. Since it is being multiplied by a constant number, we know it is a geometric sequence, right? That is by definition of geometric sequence. Now we need to write recursive formula. Remember, in recursive formula you have to write the formula in terms of previous term. So the first term should be defined. So in writing the recursive formula we should write T1. The first term in this case is 8, and then Tn is equals to half times Tn minus 1, right? So half of previous term, that's how you should read it, where n is greater than 1, correct? Write general term formula. General term formulas are written in terms of position number, right? So in this case Tn, but they are explicit formulas, right? So I could use the word explicit. Since if we know the term number, we can actually get direct value. So these general term formulas are not dependent on the previous term. That's the huge advantage. So general term formula in this case will be, the first term is 8 for us, and then we are multiplying by half each time. So we can write half to the power of n minus 1. The first term, it should not be multiplied by half, right? So n equals to 1 will give us 0 here, correct? So here n belongs to set of natural numbers, correct? So every time when you have recursive and general formulas, you will notice one thing, and that is most of the time general formulas will be for all natural numbers and recursive formulas will be for natural numbers greater than 1, correct? So as an added exercise, what you can do is you can find next 4 terms applying your successive formula, that is recursive formula or general term. I hope that will help. Thank you and all the best.